The Sky Suites cover 251 square feet, with a 57 square foot veranda, and wheelchair accessible suites are available. All the suites on the Celebrity Solstice have many extras not included in the cabins, that's why you pay more. Standard features in a Sky Suite include 1. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors. 2. Veranda. 3. 2 beds convertible to queen size, bathroom with shower/tub combination and washbasin. 4. Vanity. 5. Interactive flat panel television. 6. Wireless internet access, extra fee. 7. Living room with sofa queen sleeper and vanity. 8. Trundle bed, in some cabins. 9. Mini refrigerator. 10. Veranda with lounge seating. 11. European-style butler service. 12. 2 to 3 complimentary specialty restaurant reservations. 13. Priority check-in and departing. 14. Priority luggage delivery at boarding. 15. Welcome champagne. 16. Dining room seating preference. 17. Frette bathrobes. 18. Fresh cut flowers. 19. Opportunity to book in-suite massage. Celebrity's butler service includes 1. Assistance with unpacking/packing. 2. Full breakfast. 3. In-suite lunch and dinner service. 4. In-suite afternoon tea service. 5. Evening hors d'oeuvres daily. 6. Complimentary espresso and cappuccino.